It's your man Alex. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be challenging myself and trying to do a self haircut in under 10 minutes. I'm literally already shaking. Like I'm really nervous to do this. Like my hands just shaking, like my body's just shaking. I'm not looking forward to doing this. Just want to give you guys a quick heads up. I know I'm going to be cursing throughout this video, so every single time I curse, I'm going to be giving you guys some type of weird sound effect to lighten up the mood so you guys don't actually hear me cursing. Enjoy the nice sound effects. So before we get started, let me just show you guys a quick 360 of what my haircut looks like right now. Alright, let's do this. Let's go. I'm ready. Come on. Alright, so just to show you guys a little bit what I'm dealing with, I've got my clippers set up, the duck clips I'm going to be putting in my head shortly, and I've got all of my guards and my brush right there ready for me to quickly exchange and trade out the existing guard on my clipper to one of these right in here. And then I've also got a 10-minute timer set on my laptop ready to go. The second it drops down to 0 seconds, it's going to make a very loud beeping noise, so then you guys will know. All right, everyone, I think I'm ready. I've got my duck clips in. Everything is right here, organized and ready for me to quickly grab and exchange out. Got my timer set up. I'm breathing, and I think I'm good. Let's do this. Let's go. I'm ready. 10-minute self-haircut challenge starting in 3, 2, 1. Ah! Oh my God. I'm shaking. Come on. I got this, I got this, I got this. Come on. Come on. You got this. Just don't up your hair too much. Alright, straighten this out. Straighten this out. Okay, not bad. Alright. Lever open, let's go. Lever open. Half an inch. Alright, all the way around. I'm still shaking. Alright, lever open. Number 1 guard, let's go. 7 minutes depth, 7 minutes left, let's go. Come on. Another inch, half an inch. Let's fix this guideline, looks like.
Instinct.
Not bad. Alright, let's go. Let's start fading it in. Ah! right, next guard. No, I don't have time to drop it. All right, next one. Come on. Oh, 4 minutes. Get that fade extra nice, right? Come on. All right, let's go 1.5 guard. 1.5, 1.5. All right, let's go number 2 guard long. 2.5 minutes left. All right, let's go, go on. I don't know what to do now. I don't know what to do. Doesn't look that bad. Let's put the 1 guard back, half guard back on. Let's fade this in a tiny bit more, please. Oh, my hands. Oh, my hands are. Ow. 59 seconds. I don't know what to do. What do I do? Let's just clean it up. Clean it up. How's it look? Oh no, this needs to get fixed. Alrighty. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Let's put this back on. Oh, I gotta fix right here. Ah! So I know some of you may be wondering, but this is the huge mess that I ended up making during this self-haircut challenge. I'm gonna have a really fun time cleaning all of this up. All right, everyone, so I just wiped off as much hair as I could off my body and my arms. Now let me give you a 360 on how it looks after this 10-minute challenge. Right now, I'm gonna do a little bit of detail work and really refine the self-haircut. All right, everyone, so I just finished doing all of the detail work. It took me roughly 20-25 minutes to do all the detail work, so I pretty much gave myself another brand new self-haircut to make up for all the mistakes that I made for the actual challenge. So let me go ahead and give you guys a quick 360 view of my haircut. I did have to go in and use thinning shears as well as actual hair cutting shears on the top of my head to kind of blend in the sides and the back to the length on top. But guys, that is the self-haircut. If any of you guys are interested in joining my self-haircut course and getting awesome self-haircuts like myself, You can use the first link at the top of the description to join my self-haircut course. And if you guys like this video, please smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click the subscribe button down below and make sure you click on those post notifications as well to never miss a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, but I'll catch you next time. Peace!